Vocabulary is the knowledge of words and what they mean. As children get older, they develop new vocabulary naturally as they come in terms with new things. So at RIF, we've decided to create our own vocabulary picture cards. And on each of these vocab cards, it gives you a vocabulary word aligned with a photograph. Photographs are really important in helping students learn new words because they can make those connections in real life. They'll know that this is a neck of a person in real life. Then we have another example: toes, hand, hair. You can print these and they can go in any of your centers, especially your dramatic play center. And when you're hanging these in your dramatic play center, it gives students that opportunity to really make that connection while they're playing. Learning new vocabulary is really important to be explicitly taught, but also students just learn as they're communicating with one another. It really allows them to be able to express their thoughts clearly and express their emotions clearly.